You know, I've been eating dolma for a long time. My wife is half Greek. Dolma, always the grape leaf. In Greece, it's like a little more rice than beef. Here, they go way more beef. But this is so different because this is the cabbage leaf. It's so delicious. It's a little different texture. It's really good. Good evening, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Armenia. Tonight we're actually driving to...
We're driving to Dilijan. We're going to overnight in Daravand Guest House. You're going to like it. This is the cozy corner of Dilijan town.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm super excited. It's gonna be like a real experience. We're gonna go, we're gonna eat, we're gonna drink some wine, we're gonna relax. It's actually getting a little cold right now. Luckily, I brought the scarf with me. I have a sweater, but let's get in the car and let's drive. It's about what, 30-minute drive, 20-minute drive?
30-minute drive.
30-minute drive, not bad. Let's go. After like a 10-minute drive, we entered this huge tunnel. And how big is this tunnel?
It's 2.3 kilometers. It unites Kegarkunik region with Tavush region.
So basically, we're going through a huge mountain right now. As you guys know, Armenia is like a super mountainous country. And wow, this is long. We've been already here 1 minute. It's gonna take how many? Like 5 minutes?
You drive about 3 minutes. Driving is easier than imagining it.
We've arrived to Dilijan. So Dilijan is a town inside a national park. And what we're going through right now is like the back streets trying to get to this house. And whoa, I mean, it's really, really dark. We just passed through the center. Very small, you know, community. A few houses, some shops. And here it's just like, what is this? So we made it here to the guest house, and as soon as you pull in, you have to go up this like super dirt road full of rocks. Whoa.
You're gonna love this place because this is one of the best cozy corners in Dilijan.
And we made it here. Whoa, look at this. Traditional home. Right here we have my dream car, the Defender, Land Rover Defender. Favorite car on the planet. I've gotten so many of those on safaris in Africa. And right here, we have the restaurant. Guest house, restaurant. Wow, this is nice. Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good, you?
Fantastic.
You're like my my Armenian grandfather.
What are you? I'm young boy. No,
I know, I'm joking. I like
It's
this.
fantastic.
You like it?
Yeah.
I have the beanie too, but I'm not ready to put it on. It's not cold enough.
That's all right. This is the free corner of the country.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of Daravand Guest House. Basically they have 9 rooms, and right now, at the beginning, we have the terrace, right? So we have 3 tables here, 1 long table, and over here we have like a little couch. You can just chill, smoke, like these women are doing right now. It's really funky, it's really like cottage life. I love the wood. And then if we keep going, follow me. This is like their lobby slash bar. So over here we have a bar. You know, they have arat, so they have brandy, they have beer, they have other drinks. Over here we have a couch, a TV. So more like a lobby, you know, relaxed place. Again guys, we're like sort of in like a mountain town. So this is like more like cottage life, very relaxing. Like I said, they have 9 rooms, plus they have a cottage. And over here, we have the dining room. I think this is actually our dinner over here. It's getting set up for us. We have some wine, really relaxing, you know. I've been to a few places like this before. These like bed and breakfasts. They're really cozy, super nice people. You know, the owners basically probably live on the property as well. Oh, by the way, people write on the wall, like all over the wall. The whole thing. I'm gonna have to find a pen later and write my Davidsbeenhere handle right here. All right, let's keep going. It's a nice wooden staircase. Over here to the right, we actually have some antiques. Sewing machine, typewriter, you know, very nice antiques, rug, small rug. These are the 9 rooms, right? My room is over here. So I literally just got here, so I'm trying to get acquainted with where I am. Just come here, show you my room. And here we go, this is my spot. So I have a queen size bed, I also have a twin bed over here. This is where I literally like set up, put all my luggage here. This is my workstation. We have a closet. So if you're staying here a few nights, hang your stuff up, you know, hang up your jeans, your shirts, don't get it all wrinkly. And over here we have a bunch of towels, so floor towel, two more towels there. And we have the heater on because it's actually a little nippy outside. And the heater's on. I mean, if you get close, you feel the heat. Oh, really nice. This is my bed. I can't wait to dive into it because I'm so tired. But we have to go have dinner. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're having dinner. So many different things. We got a lot of appetizers. We got a soup is just coming right now. We got zucchini cutlets. We have, I think this is cabbage salad, tomatoes, cheese, wow, cauliflower, more eggplant. We got the lavash. We have other bread, looks delicious. And then right here we have this soup. What's this soup?
This is a white yogurt soup, and this is the best we have. Yeah, it's very dietetic, it's very light, especially for dinner. But just get ready because dolma is coming.
Actually, for me, I'd throw the dolma in here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because the dolma like deserves to have something creamy.
When you say love, it means good. So when I ask you how are you, like one says, you can say love, and that's like good. And when you say shot love, it means like very good.
So what is it? Just yogurt and herbs?
Some wheat.
Mm-hmm. Some wheat, some greens. So they make it with rice and mint sometimes. Wow. And it's good. It's like a super hot tzatziki with wheat. Oh, but it's a super nice soup to have on a cold day. I love the wheat. I'm gonna like save a little bit because my dolma is going straight in here.
Yeah, this is the same I was thinking about.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try is this carrot salad with walnuts. Wow. Look at this monster. That's all for me. No, I'm joking. I love carrots. I love walnut. You get a little bit here. This is another new dish for me. Extremely crunchy. Very moist, refreshing. So this is basically like carrot spaghetti with sour cream, Armenian style with walnuts. Nice crunch, all delicious. All right, guys. Next up, I'm gonna try delicious eggplant. What? Yes, the best. Okay, and this one has like, I don't know, is it tomato paste? That's like red pepper, very soft, roasted eggplant. Thing here in Armenia, there's very little spices, so you never feel spicy or too much pepper.
We just always leave a space for natural flavors, and this is what people like most in Armenia.
If you're a fan of eggplant, Armenia is your country.
Anyway, we cannot eat anything without lavash, so I prefer to have this salad with lavash, you know. We love it.
Another Armenian sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have a zucchini cutlet. So they put one egg, so it sticks all together. It's zucchini, some other veg. What is that? That looks amazing. Delicious, like veggie cutlet. This right here looks amazing. Peppers that are stuffed with meat, right?
So the lady in the house made a summer tolma for us. So there we have some vegetables, and again we have zucchini and cabbage.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna try one of these. So this is the dolma, this one right here. Usually dolma is the grape leaf. This is actually with the cabbage leaf. Doli in Old Armenian means grape leaf.
Yeah.
Okay.
And dolma is like meat in a grape leaf.
This is awesome. You know, I've been eating dolma for a long time. My wife is half Greek. Dolma, always the grape leaf. In Greece, it's like a little more rice than beef. Here, they go way more beef. But this is so different because this is the cabbage leaf. It's so delicious. It's a little different texture. It's really good. And it's more filling because it's bigger, like way bigger. Because the other ones are like tiny. This is like a big guy. This is eggplant?
Yeah.
No way.
You are lucky everywhere.
Stuffed eggplant? What? What are they doing here? Look at this. Our guy right here is bringing us some vodka. Is that vodka? Let me try this. Stuffed eggplant with beef.
This is apricot vodka. Homemade.
Homemade apricot vodka? Let's try it. Yan, nectar, green apple.
This is this natural juice bottle.
Oh, it's a natural juice bar.
Inside.
Oh.
Try everything.
Try everything. Can I just have a sip right here? A little sip?
Yeah, drink.
Dragon fire right there. Whoa. Whoa.
Amen.
That is strong. Sharing is caring for sure. There's a lot. This vodka is crazy strong. It's apricot vodka?
It's apricot vodka.
I've never had it before. Oh, it smells. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put this cabbage dolma into the soup, the yogurt soup. Oh, delicious with that. Wow.
Mjate?
He hasn't drank at all. He's a driver. He hasn't drank one thing. I mean, I congratulate this guy. He's a trooper. But there he goes, vodka. No. So I haven't tried any of the fresh vegetables, and right here we have cauliflower.
Genat means life in Armenian language, and telling genatzes, it means sharing your life experience with your friends. Genatzes were mostly told by older people for their grandchildren, for their younger friends. They were sharing their life experience and wishing good luck and telling how to live better, how to respect, how to have pride. To target. I say yes.
My boy, yeah, let's do it. Get nuts. I like it. Yeah, barley wine is so good. We're gonna drink for parents.
Yeah, because this is the third.
the third Genats.
Yeah.
This barley wine's phenomenal. Genats for that. Genats. And next up we have a stuffed tomato. Wow. Delicious burst. Also the meat. It's meat heavy. I say 10% rice. So they're gonna play one of the games here in Armenia. It's similar to chess.
We are chess players in Armenia, by the way. We have chess classes in the schools. One of the main subjects in the schools is chess, with comparing the number of population with the number of chess players in Armenia, we're first in the world.
So you're gonna play this game, so basically they have a dice, they have some chips here.
So I need to fill this field with these chips, and he is trying to catch me sometimes, and he's trying to be first to fill his space with chips. So, and we will hit each other not to reach the goal.
Basically there's 2 here, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, and then dice.
Hitting, and he has more chips to reach the goal.
It's a really fast game. I don't want to get it right now. It's going really fast. I mean, you guys are just throwing, going. And yeah, this guy's filling up really fast. How did it work? You fill this whole thing up?
You fill the whole thing up, and then you are trying to take them out depending on your numbers. So whoever is the first one, that wins.
Hey. Is there a river over there? Woo! What a night. Man, tonight we did a lot of things actually. We ate
a lot of stuff.
You
ate a lot.
Too much. I ate way too much. I mean, the food was ridiculous though.
We were supporting you. You ate a lot.
You ate a lot too. She's like, I have good genes. I'm like, you're not eating as much as me. Oh my god, I think the number one thing was the cabbage dolma. Mm-hmm. Yeah, is that everywhere here? You find it everywhere?
Every family does it.
But yeah, I mean, we did that, and then we came here. You play this game. So is this basically like Armenian version of backgammon?
But we played
Backgammon.
short backgammon.
Very nice place. If you guys are traveling around Armenia, I highly recommend coming here. Just coming here for a night, maybe 2 nights. Explore the town. Tomorrow we're gonna be exploring the town. Well, guys, if you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow her on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Armenia. Bye bye.